Learn the names and sounds of the most common farm animals. Rooster. Chicken. Horse. Donkey. Sheep. Goat. Pig. Cat. Dog. Goose. Turkey. Duck. Cow. Rabbit. Now let's go and check what we have learned. Who is hiding? The rooster. Who is hiding? The chicken. Who is hiding? The horse. Who is hiding? The donkey. Who is hiding? The sheep. Who is hiding? The goat. Who is hiding? The pig. Who is hiding? The cat. Who is hiding? The dog. Who is hiding? The goose. Who is hiding? The turkey. Who is hiding? The duck. Who is hiding? The cow. Who is hiding? The rabbit.